pushing some of those red cubes off their posts for a ton of points. Eagle Pride A is getting ready to line up and score a ton of those green cubes. Looks like Henry Napier is also trying to get one up. 35 seconds, and they now switch drivers. And Henry Napier successfully feeds some up, and they get another in the goal. They managed to do it. 2 in the goal. Eagle Pride A lining up, trying to score some purples, and they get all 3. And Eagle Pride A is moving across the field, pushing off the last red, trying to score some more greens. And they get 2 greens in the last goal for that bonus. At the end of the match, it looks like Henry Napier is going for a partial park. Eagle Pride A going for a partial park. Alright, here on the Spirit Field for match number 76, we have 8502A.